All right. With that, what's our housing provider tip of the week?
All right, so our housing provider tip of the week is along the line of maintenance. So most of what you're doing when you're managing your property is maintenance or coordination or communication with the tenant about maintenance. So maintenance, we recently pulled our trailing 12 work orders to see how long it takes us to get on average each work order type, whether it be painting or appliances or handyman. I was very happy with the data we pulled. But when I was writing out the article, which I'll put in the show notes, it's so important to know who to call when you have an issue. And whether you're a self-manager or you're about to buy a property, when you have a problem, it's too late if you have to go find that person. You've already set yourself behind a day, 2 days, paying too much, all that. It's knowing who you can call when you have a problem. And sometimes that's not even the vendor. Sometimes that's calling someone like me to give you my guy to call right away, or knowing you could text me or Tom to get a guy. Or it's actually knowing that HVAC guy, or knowing that appliance repair guy that will be responsive and get out there. So the important part of maintenance that I realized when I was going through all of our data was really that front end, first 48 hours of knowing who to call when you have an issue. So that's today's tip. Know who to call for almost any issue you might have that's going to come up in your rental property.
Yeah, know who to call and have contingency plans.